Hello, how are you? My name is Fernando and welcome to Host 2B Academy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up and install the Facebook Pixel. So what we want to do is go to the business.facebook.com platform, then access the Facebook Business Dashboard. Next, we're going to go to the left side at the bottom and click on the button called Settings. Just click and the Facebook business page settings will open. Now, from the left side, we'll click on the button labeled Data Source. After clicking, a submenu will open, and here we'll click on the button called Data Set. Just click and then the page will open where it will show our pixels. So if you haven't created any pixels yet within Facebook, it will not show anything. Just click on Add. Once you click, it will open a tab asking for a pixel name. Here you can enter any name for identification. Let's use Pixel Tutorial. Just click Create and the pixel is successfully created. The pixel will now appear in the list. You'll get a pixel ID. With this ID, you can configure various platforms. Next, we'll assign your user. Click Assign Person. On the new page, select your username and click Full Control. This gives you control over pixel data events. Then click Assign on the right. It'll confirm the person was assigned. Click Done. Then we'll connect your ad account. Click Connect Assets. Select Other Asset and it'll display your ad account. You'll select the ad account you want to link to this pixel. Just choose one and click Add. It'll confirm successful addition. Now you've created the pixel correctly on Facebook, linked to your user and ad account. You can connect this Facebook pixel to any platform you prefer. Wix, WordPress, Shopify, whatever you need. I hope this video helped.